So if you want to fix sticky buttons on your Android smartphone, first of all, look at them and decide whether you see some dust or debris, right, which can cause this problem. Try doing it yourself. So grab your microfiber cloth and grab your isopropyl alcohol, right? Now spray it on your microfiber cloth. Don't do too much because you don't want to get it too wet, so it would damage your contacts. Simply a couple sprays. Right after that, gently wipe the area around the buttons and the buttons themselves, just like this. And basically that's it. If it still didn't help, I recommend you going to your closest service center, because it might be a hardware issue. They can help you, they can change the buttons. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing on our channel.